First tonight, breaking news in the case of missing mother Jennifer DULOS. Good evening and thanks for joining us on this Wednesday. I'm Dennis House.
And I'm Denise DeCenzo. For the first time, her estranged husband has spoken publicly on camera. It wasn't about his missing wife. He spoke about his children.
Jennifer DULOS has now been missing since May 24th, and the search to find her drags on, as does the battle over her 5 children.
Channel 3's Courtney ZIELLER is live now with the new developments today. Courtney?
Well, I can tell you we are learning some new information in just about an hour ago. So even though there was that meeting in court today, moments ago, more motions have been filed in this custody case. It is official right here that Fotis Doulos is officially seeking custody of his 5 children now. His attorney said in court today that they are looking into the fact that Jennifer disappeared as an act of, quote, revenge suicide. Now, Fotis did talk to reporters outside of court, but it was brief. Take a listen.
I just want to tell my children that they're constantly on my mind and that I love them and I miss them very much.
A simple statement from Fotis Doulos, the estranged husband of the missing Connecticut mother of 5. It was all he would say to reporters outside Stamford Superior Court today, where he appeared for a status conference in regards to his children. Jennifer Doulos vanished 1 month and 2 days ago after dropping her children off at school in New Canaan. She and her estranged husband had been going through a lengthy divorce and custody battle for 2 years. Fotis is seeking custody of his kids, all under the age of 13. The children are currently staying with his mother-in-law. In court today, his attorneys want confidential information that has been sealed by the courts unsealed. The documents are the children's and Jennifer's psychological evaluations. It's paperwork only attorneys are allowed to see, but somehow that paperwork was left in Fotis's Farmington home. His attorneys noticed the documents when they retrieved his passport the day Fotis posted bond. He's facing criminal charges along with his girlfriend Michelle Triconis in the disappearance of Jennifer. They're accused of throwing out items found in Hartford that contained Jennifer's blood. Both pleaded not guilty. Norm Pattis, who is representing Fotis in both cases, spoke publicly about the documents and says he was not aware there was a court order saying the information was sealed. He's the second attorney to take over the case. Meanwhile, attorneys for Jennifer Doulos filed a motion of contempt last night, claiming the court imposed sanctions for the willful violation of this court's sealing orders. Today, the judge ordered all copies of the report be returned and sealed in the children's best interests. Both attorneys are able to access the documents, but the children's lawyer must be present. While Jennifer still hasn't been heard from, Pattis says they're dealing with their own investigation.
You heard us say today in court comments that Jennifer made to Mr. Doulos that give us grave concerns for her safety and well-being. We are actively contemplating a revenge suicide hypothesis as an explanation for her disappearance.
And Fotis was spotted in New York yesterday. So if you remember, he isn't supposed to leave the state unless he gets the court's permission. We asked Pattis about that. He says he did cross state lines because the roads twists and turns. They apparently did talk to the court about it, but he says no one seemed too concerned about it. In court today, no ruling was made about the children. We will keep you posted on what we hear. But coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, we're going to dig deeper into these documents that were just filed about an hour ago and what Fotis is now saying about his mother-in-law. We'll see you in an hour. For now, we're live at the mobile newsroom tonight. I'm Courtney ZIELLER, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.